In today's video, we are going to show you how to recover your Vinted account. If you're locked out of your Vinted account, forgot your password, change your phone number, or your account was temporarily restricted, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is hover to the top right corner where you can see the login section. I want you to click on it and click the login with email. Under the login field, select forgot your password. Now all you have to do is enter the email address linked to your Vinted account, then tap send instructions. Check your inbox and spam folders for the password and reset email. Click the link. And of course, if it is asking you for a code, you can do that. It's super simple, alright? Now, if you no longer have access to your email or phone number, don't panic because all you have to do is super simple. Go to the help or contact support. You can simply type in your question to get an answer. All you have to do is select the registration and log in. Click the I can't log in to my account. It's super simple. Now, if this doesn't help, go to the contact us option. You need to submit an appeal explaining your situation. Be honest and include screenshots if requested. Appeals can take a few days to review. Alright? And basically that's it for today's video on how to recover your account here on Vinted. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you again in the next video.